Now, ang launching ng Xiaomi 15T series has been overshadowed by the Xiaomi 17 series na launching ng China, and halos hindi ko masyado naramdaman yung hype nitong phone na ito. Now, previously, napanood yung review natin na Xiaomi 15T, and I would say na hindi ako masyado ginanahan sa phone na yon. Today, hawak na natin ang Pro variant niya, and this one has a beefed up na specs compared dun sa kanya non-Pro variant. Would this one be the one para sa inyo? How Pro is the Pro variant? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Now, as usual, ang box ni Xiaomi 15T Pro is the same. Very simple. Makita mo yung print dito, Xiaomi 15T Pro and co-engineered with Leica. And I have here is the 12 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage. Nabubuksan muna natin. And there you go. Makita natin there's another box inside. Pagbukas natin, you'll see your SIM ejector tool, some manuals, and isang jelly case na mukhang okay naman. Color gray siya, by the way. Andito yung phone itself. We got a A2C cable and a 90 watts na fast charging brick. And basically, that's everything inside. Now, pilasin muna natin to. Now, one thing na hindi ko masyado gusto sa mga T-series ni Xiaomi or mga global phones ni Xiaomi, kailangan mo pilasin to kasi nakadikit siya. Unlike yung mga China ROM variant na isi-slide out mo lang, buong-buo ang yung packaging. Now, yung kanyang itsura is exactly the same sa Xiaomi 15T. Wala siyang kinaibahan sa kanya, no? There's no indicator na, hey, this is a Pro variant na phone and that one is a non-Pro variant. Parehong-pareho sila. Probably to my disliking. And by the way, ang Xiaomi 15T Pro na may 12 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of storage will be priced at 37,999. And kanyang 512 gigs of storage will be priced at 39,999. Meron pa silang mga freebies sa Xiaomi Band 9 Pro if you pre-order early before October 10. I'll post the link on the description box below for your references, and iwas na rin tayong scam kasi malapit na magpapasko. Now, one thing na gustuhan ko dito sa kanya is yung kanyang pagka-black. Sobrang black niya and it looks very stylish. Very elegant tingnan. Hindi just any black color, no? Pag tinignan mo siya, very simple. Pero pag nailawan mo siya, makita mo parang meron mga kunting glitters, which looks very elegant, just by point of view. Maganda rin yung kanyang rose gold kung nakita mo yung Xiaomi 15T ko. Meron din siyang same variant dito sa Xiaomi 15T Pro. Like I told you, wala silang kinaibahan sa design. This one has side aluminum frame, so makita mo meron mga antenna bands on the sides. Yung IR niya nakatago dito sa kanyang camera module. Wala na dito sa ibabaw. And by the way, this one has a flat screen, so if you're expecting a curved screen display, not this one. Pero maganda naman kanyang grip overall. Saktong-saktohan sa aking kamay. And if you're looking for the full spec na Xiaomi 15T Pro, eto na. Now, one of the good news na na-receive ko is that this one has 5 years na major Android upgrades and meron siyang 6-year na security patches. But sad to say na this one comes together with the Android version 15, could have been 16, so mababawasan ng one major update ang iyong phone. But for me, it's still okay. Inaabangan ko dito is mag-update siya to HyperOS 3, which kaabang-abang naman yon. And sabi nila si Xiaomi 15T Pro is one of the first one to get yung update once na nag-roll out globally. Now, in terms of everyday usage, sobrang okay to phone dito. Very powerful. Now, this one has the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. It's a 3nm chip. Alam naman natin performance doon. It's top of the line ni MediaTek. So, expect mo sobrang okay ang kanyang performance. Lahat ng gawin mo dito, be it video editing, maglaro ka ng games, and doing all the tasks na babato mo sa kanya, walang problema. Smooth na smooth ang performance nito. And kahit tingnan mo pa sa Antutu Benchmark version 11, it got me a 2.3 million points. For me, wala na ako may aangal kasi very powerful na siya. If you still want to see other benchmark na nakuha natin, eto na. Now, in terms of battery, this one has a 5,500 mAh na battery, which is, well, nothing unusual sa kanya. Could have been 6,000, could have been 6,500. Binabaan nila to 5,500, which for me, for a phone in 2025, medyo bitin na siya dahil very power hungry na some of the other apps na ginagamit natin on day-to-day basis. Yun na siguro one of the downside dito sa phone na ito, which for me personally could have been better. Pero hindi naman siya too much of a deal breaker sa akin dahil it comes together with a 90 watts of fast charging brick, meaning you can top up your battery from 0 to 100 in just less than 40 minutes. And meron din pala siyang 50 watts na wireless charging support, by the way. Nung ginagamit ko naman siya as my daily driver on a day-to-day basis, walang problema. Makunat ka ng battery. It can last me a whole day without even charging. Basta hindi ka babad sa gaming, hindi ka babad sa pag-video, hindi ka babad sa video conferencing, walang problema one whole day. Isa't kalating araw, kayang-kaya din naman niya. And to further back up yung mga pinagsasabi ko, it got me a 19 hours and 35 minutes na screen on time. For me, quite good. Now, one of the things na gusto ko rin naman sa kanyang display nung ginagamit ko siya day-to-day basis, malaki ang kanyang display. This one has a 6.83-inch na AMOLED display and it's being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. So meaning meron siyang scratch resistance up to a certain level. So pinasok mo tong phone na ito sa loob ng yung pocket together with the coins and the keys, medyo mas scratch resistant siya. I would suggest na lagyan mo ng mga tempered glass to add some extra protection. One thing na na-appreciate ko rin sa kanya is that it has a 144Hz screen refresh rate and meron siyang 3840Hz na PWM dimming. So meaning pagbabad ka dito sa phone nito, matagal mo siyang gamit, mas protected ang iyong mata against yung mga harmful blue rays. And pag ginagamit ko naman to on outdoor, wala ko naging problema kasi this one also is giving me a clear display with its 3,200 nits na maximum brightness. Pag nagsiscroll naman ako dito on social media, okay. Enjoy na enjoy ako dito dahil sobrang smooth on every single transition if you're swiping across all of your favorite social media sites. Kung nanonood ka naman ng favorite videos mo rin dito, okay na okay din dahil sobrang ganda ng kanyang display. I would say na crystal clear ang mga images dito and it's my recommendation and turn on mo ang AI HDR enhancement and yung MEMC for better experience. So since this one has a stereo speaker, yung sa ilalim coming off from itong grills na ito, and the other one coming off from yung kanyang earpiece, pakinggan lang natin kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang sounds. Here goes. Surprising malakas ang kanyang sounds. And I would say na almost flagship level like ang kanyang sounds. Malakas ang kanyang tunog, malinis ang kanyang sound, and hindi siya tunog lata. Now, I did play 3 games on this phone, Genshin Impact, Wuthering Waves, and Call of Duty Mobile. Lahat naman ng games na ito, it was really running smooth. Maganda kanyang touch response, wala kang maging problema. And yung kanyang sound is quite solid. Lalo na sa Call of Duty Mobile, na-enjoy ko siya. And one thing na napansin ko sa kanya is that very smooth naman ang gameplay based sa Genshin Impact or sa Wuthering Waves. Both umabot naman sa 60 FPS and Call of Duty Mobile umabot na 120 FPS. Though this phone is not intended really for gaming, more of camera, pero pinakita ko na rin sa inyo ang gaming experience ko dito. It was really a good experience because of yung kanyang processor na Dimensity 9400 Plus. This one can definitely give you a good gaming experience and kahit sagarin mo ang kanyang graphical settings, it will surely perform. Halos wala mo na feel na frame drops dito. Kung nagda-drop man siya, siguro mga 2 to 3 FPS lang at most on my observation. And pinakamainit na inabot ko on a single game is sa Wuthering Waves at 41 degrees Celsius. Medyo mababa siya. Right now, i-highlight na natin ang kanyang camera. It has triple camera setup and it's being co-engineered with Leica. It has a 50MP na main sensor and a 50MP na periscope telephoto lens with up to 5 times optical zoom. And meron siya ultra-wide lens na up to 120 degrees sa field of view. This one can shoot you a 8K video. And ang kanyang selfie camera is a 32MP which can shoot you up to 4K and 30. Now guys, simulan natin with some snaps dito from the XIAOMI 15T Pro. And taking some outdoor shot, I would say na maganda ang camera niya. Was able to snap several nice shots dito sa kanya. Though yung kanyang color is a little bit saturated, pero maganda naman kanyang pagka-saturation. Perfect to post on Facebook, Instagram, and even sa yung mga other favorite social media sites. Now, one thing to like dito sa kanya is kahit yung simple snap mo, ang daming details makita mo sa kanya. Which is probably one thing na binabayaran mo dito sa kanyang Pro variant. Yung tipong a very simple shot just like this one, you can turn it into a very nice na Instagram post. Now, if you bring this one for indoor photography, expect na you'll be able to get some really nice snap dito sa kanya. And one thing na napansin ko sa kanya, pinicture ko tong signage na ito, wala naman siyang spill sa kanyang color, which is okay. Pati itong signage nito, okay din siya. And checking other low light shot, expect mo na you'll be able to snap some good shots sa kanyang mga subject. And ang ganda rin ng pagka-picture dito sa painting nito. I mean, very simple, parang very classy siya tingnan. And nung nilaro ko naman kanyang ultra-wide lens, is how it looks like. And zooming all the way to 100 times zoom. I would say, kahit digitally zoom, malinaw na malinaw pa rin naman siya. And mind you na there are some AI function dito na pwede mo laruin. This is a AI image enhancer, which makita natin na this is a very simple shot na pag in-enhance mo, it looks very nice, no? Mas maganda siya ipang-post sa mga social media site. And you can even expand your images like this one. Pag in-expand mo, it will look like this one. Just don't mind yung watermarks. If you're trying to take some group photo, okay na okay rin naman itong kanyang camera. Was able to take some really nice snap. But yung mga close-up shots like this one looks pretty fine and pretty nice. And pag kumukuha ka naman ng mga food photography, expect naman na it would be able to perform din. And true enough, looking good naman mga food photography. And if you're trying to take some night photography naman on outdoors, I was able to take some shots naman dito while I was strolling sa Dapitan Arcade, taking some really nice snaps dito sa mga Christmas decors. I was really amazed din na maganda rin ang kanyang performance sa kanyang camera sa gabi. Just check out some of these really nice snaps na nakuha natin. Now, if you're trying to take some selfie photos on outdoors, expect naman na maganda naman kanyang camera. Was able to perform, honestly, talagang ma-enhance konti ang yung muka, mababawasan yung mga blemishes, kahit naka-off lahat na yung mga beautification, medyo gwagwapo ka talaga. And on indoor situation naman, there are times naman na mapapansin mo it's going to be a little bit softer, pero kung maganda naman yung lighting, expect naman na you'll be able to get some decent snaps. Check natin kayo ng video for the selfie. So ito yung performance ng camera ni Xiaomi 15T Pro. Recording of 4K and 30. And sabi ko naman sa inyo na okay siya kahit medyo low light. And very stable naman ang kanyang image stabilization pagdating sa video. And ito naman sa kanyang rear camera. And ito naman ang kanyang performance if you're using the rear camera. You can actually shoot up to 8K, pero right now I'm using just 4K and 60. Very smooth, very stable, and maganda ang kanyang color resolution dito sa Xiaomi 15T Pro. What can you say, guys? Let me know in the comments. Now, overall, kamusta naman ang feel ko dito sa phone nito? Honestly, it was better than the 15T. Saan siya mas better? Pagdating sa camera performance, this one simply got me interested. Lalo sa kanyang rear camera, ang ganda ng kanyang performance. Not the best na kaya na mag-perform to the level ng mga Xiaomi 15, 15 Pro, 15 Ultra, but yung kanyang level at a T series, I would say na it has improved a bit over sa 14T Pro. It got better, sharper photos, and medyo mas cleaner mga edges niya pagdating sa mga portrait shots. Overall, pagdating sa gaming, hindi ka talo dito and hindi siya umiinit masyado based sa aking experience. Though for me, medyo mahal siya at 40,000 pesos. Pero kung mas-score mo to at a lower price, pagdating sa mga payday sale, mga double-digit sale, or mga 11/11 sale, definitely this is worth it. Now, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili to, I'll post the link on the description box below. And if you know anyone na naghanap ng phone just like this one, na magandang kanyang camera and pati gaming paldong-paldo, you can share this video to them. Of course, in-invite ko kayo mag-like and subscribe sa aking channel para hindi nyo ma-miss out mga video just like this one. So paano, hanggang dito na muna ako. I'll see you when you see me. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.